Alright, Dad's going to shoot a 10-pound tannarite with a 240, a 2-pound tannarite. It's all the way down there. Alright, hang on, Dad. Hang on. I gotta do this.
You ready?
I'm ready.
Oh, head on safety.
Oh my gosh! Murdered it! Holy crap! I gotta see that. Oh my gosh! Oh god! I expected like a mushroom cloud, but okay. That's just 2 pounds. Holy moly!
They got your ears. Thanks.
Holy moly! Dude, there's... Oh my... Oh god.
That's where it was.
Wow. It blew that log.
Completely obliterated it.
2 of them. The one that it was on, and then the one behind it, and then...
Everything else around it.
Good gosh.
Holy moly.
Let's do it again.
Yeah.
Except we gotta stick it like right there.
Yeah, no, I don't want to blow up the whole...
Shrapnel, you know?
Wow, that was incredible.
Dad, look, there's shrapnel. See, look. From here to here to here. And do you see any more?
No.
All the way to there, Dad. Dad, all the way to here. Where shrapnel went. Good Lord, did you not see the shockwave? Dad, look at this.
What?
That was taken down.
Oh my gosh. Look, there's wood chips up. Oh my god.
Oh.
That's a shrapnel.
Oh, look, there's wood out there.
Oh my gosh.
Okay.
Dude, I bet the guy that over there was like, "Holy crap!"
Yeah, that was a big boom, guys.
Ugh,
That was a 2-pounder.
I know.
Even though we didn't hear.
Think of
like
a 50-pound.
We didn't hear like half of it.
Woo, good time.